In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create partition in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Disk Management. The moment you click on it, you would be able to open this one in your Windows 11. Here, you would be able to see all the disks, the hard drives, or the USB flash drive that you have plugged in or that are present in your Windows 11. So all you need to do is you need to select the primary partition that you would like to create a partition with. The moment you have selected it, make a right click and go with this option called Shrink Volume. So it is now getting things ready for you. Here, it asks you to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So enter the amount that you would like to create for. Okay, and once you have set the correct amount, make sure that it will not exceed on the total size of your primary partition. Okay, so click on shrink. The moment you click on it, a new partition would be created. However, it is unallocated. So we need to create a simple volume out of this. So by that, make a right click and go with new simple volume. And then you need to click on next, and it will ask you to assign a following drive letter. Just choose for a drive letter that you want to go with next, and click on this down arrow key and choose among of these three file systems. Then click on next and then go with finished and wait until it would be successfully created here in our windows. So as you can see, a healthy partition has been successfully created. So as you can see, we have here a C drive, which is our local disk, our new volume D, and our partition that we have created, which is the drive letter etched. Okay. So with that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.